Hey, I'm Walter. Just do a short video showing the new Kondor Blue Tentacle Sync cage that you have two options of mounting it to your camera. It includes these threaded Allen wrench connections if you want to do it hard. Mount the cage to the side of your rig, which then you would have to take it off and on all the time. I prefer the quick mount, which I have on the side of the cage. So this is the new Tentacle Sync Kondor Blue cage that has a quick release in the back. Where the other cages or the other holders for Tentacle Sync, which I have two other companies, this would be mounted. This would be mounted on the cage, and then you use this little screw device on the side to lock it in. And then small rig has this, where you have one way of locking everything in, and this will go on the side if you want, way out here, or into a NATO rail. Or has two openings for screws on the bottom. So I'm not going to use these two screws. And this gets attached by tightening this right here, Allen wrench, which happens to be a 5/32. So you put, this is the top. It bottoms out. Tighten, not too tight, just enough so it doesn't come out. And then on the side of the camera, I have the quick release from Kondor Blue. Locks in. Using the appropriate cable. This one's from Sony. Make sure you hear it click in. Be nice if the cable was shorter. And then what's nice is you can use the app. Right now I'm recording with a Tentacle E, all time coded. Also recording with a MixPre 3, time coded. Make sure I can see that. Time coded. Rode mic, which could probably hear all this noise here, but let's see how it works. This is, so that camera is time synced to this MixPre 3. This is time coded to that main camera and this MixPre 3. Kondor Blue black cage with quick release, so you can keep this on. It's in green, so it's putting out time code to the camera. And then we are going to, since I have everything right here, the audio handle with the Kondor Blue extension. So I'll place that on. If you're not using a Sony mic, you have to get this little rubber thing from like Amazon. Well, that sucks.